How's it going, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to VEDEM Racing. Behind me is my wrecked 2016 Mustang GT, and today we're going to take it to the frame shop. But first things first, I have a little secret to show you on the Blue Waffle Garage. Woo! That was Peru, not the frame shop. Let's try this one more time.
That's more like it. Here's the frame shop.
So today we're going to be tackling disassembling the Mustang a little bit more. In the last episode, we actually disassembled the whole front end to get it ready for the frame shop. I have a few little odds and ends I still need to take off, like the side skirts on the driver's side. That way we'll have multiple points to measure from once it does get to the frame shop. Another thing we need to do is actually the front tie rods. When it was in the accident, actually pulled the driver's side wheel out to the side, so it made it kind of a hassle to get it in and off the trailer. So we're going to need to do that, just line that so we can get it in and off the trailer. It is running and driving, but that was one issue that we had getting it off into the garage. Another thing we need to do is, well, really that's about it for that part. Then we'll load it on the trailer, take it to the frame shop, and check out the damage. Another thing I went ahead and did today was actually remove the front airbag so we could drive it a little bit easier. So actually I ordered a GT350 Alcantara steering wheel, which we will be installing in a future video, along with the new airbag, and I also have another front airbag in here, and I'll show y'all guys how to replace the SRS module, get that reset so we can get those annoying dummy airbag lights off, and also replace one of the front impact sensors as well. That'll be in a future video. So my favorite part of the car build actually is getting the car parts in. And right behind me is a GT350 replica hood that'll fit the Mustang GT. And this one actually is an aluminum version. So most of the people that are running these hoods, there's Anderson composites, but I really didn't like how the hood scoop it just didn't look right. It didn't look as clean as the Icon designs. The only problem with the Icon design is the fitment is great, but they only make a steel version of the hood, which I've heard from owners of that hood, it's around 50-60 pounds, and honestly, I mean the car is already heavy enough as it is. I really don't want to add any more weight to it. So if I'm going to upgrade, I might as well go with an upgrade, not a downgrade in that sort of sense. So I went ahead and took a bargain. So on eBay, they actually have some aluminum hoods that are the GT350 style hood. Now, I was kind of skeptical about buying one at first because you're buying off eBay, a non-reputable seller, and there's no reviews on them. I paid $800 for this hood, and so far I am blown away by the quality. The seller, they actually contacted me a day beforehand and called me and wanted to set up the delivery date, so I knew it would come in. They actually told me, one thing you guys need to keep in mind when you're buying big parts like hoods, is that when you buy them, make sure you check that hood out before you sign off with the delivery truck, because I've actually bought a hood once before and I didn't check it out because I didn't really know, and I opened it up and it was completely twisted. Luckily, the seller actually gave me a full refund, so we worked the hood and got a free hood out of the deal, but you might not end up as lucky as that. So go ahead and make sure if you buy a big body part like this, double check it before you sign off on that delivery. But the hood came in perfect. I had nothing but great things to say about it. I'll actually link that hood down in the description. And like I said, this is the initial impressions because the car obviously is a little bit wadded up in the front, so I can't test the fitment yet because we haven't taken it to the frame shop, which we're going to do today. But so far, my initial impressions of this hood, it's very well built. It's maybe about 26 pounds, so it's pretty light for being an aluminum hood. I mean, I'm ready to check it out on the car, and hopefully, compared to the stock GT hood, the visibility will be a little bit better. Alright guys, so we ended up making it to the frame shop, and we're gonna go ahead and drop it off, and he's gonna come in tomorrow night and he's gonna go ahead and pull the frame and check it all out, and we'll get a full assessment of what it actually looks like. I actually work tomorrow, so I won't be able to catch any footage, sadly, but it's gonna be here for a few days, so if I'm off the next few days, I'll go ahead and try to come get some footage of them pulling the frame. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon. Hit the like button, comment below, and we will see you guys in the next one.